Alright, so we got our hogs caught, got them loaded up, now we're back at the skinning rack, and I figured I'd slowly do one of them so I can show y'all how I clean hogs. Probably going to have to just get what I can get out of these. It definitely got a little western. It wasn't the prettiest dispatching session I've had, but got the job done. But either way, we're just going to have to get what we can get, I reckon. Probably the biggest sow right here. Maybe we'll start with her. I'm a fan of these Avalon blades. When they get dull, you just swap out another one. There's not much sharpening at all. But of course, you start off back here. You'll find like a little soft space where it's pretty much just skin in between a tendon and the bone, and that little hole right in there. Oh, it's got a big old knot right there. That's weird.
Probably from biting.
Alright. So, come right above this kneecap knuckle. Alright, and you run up the inside of the leg. Now this is an outdoor edge knife. It's kind of one-sided, it's kind of a gut hook knife. You can do it with any knife, really. I've just found that it kind of makes it easier when you come in from the inside. It's like it might get rained on. Sometimes it'll take as many as 2 blades per hog. Yeah, that's a big difference there. That's what I was looking for right there. Much better. Now, I was trying to save the blades on my Avalon, but it's with that outdoor edge, is already. Hey, Price, can you cramp that off so we don't waste the time? Pretty much, you're going to skin it. It's similar to a deer, but definitely you want to come in from the meat side and cut up and out, because if you're cutting down on to the hair, it'll dull your blade a lot faster. If you come back and you follow this meat up, you're going to find the shoulder blade up underneath here. Normally what I do is I start right up underneath there and just come right up underneath that paddle like that. And if you catch it just right, you come back from that elbow just a little bit. Come in. Catch that bone. There we go. Now I found it. Kind of up a little bit from where you think it'd be. But once you knock it out, hey, you don't have any broken bones. Alright, now to the back strap. And you'll see. You're going to feel these bones. There's some bones that come in right here on either side, and that's normally where I come in with my knife. So, for the back straps, right there. Come into the center spine. On the top of the spine, and just work down the edge of that spine. I try to go down into the neck as far as I can. Try to get every bit of that meat off there because it's good. Good stuff. Be careful, especially up here, because as you see, I didn't gut it. During the summer like this, it's still pretty warm. I don't normally get on the inside of these animals this time of year. Just because it's so hot down here in Alabama, it doesn't take long for them to start spoiling. So I don't even fool with anything that touches the guts. Don't be overly cautious. Other people will split the hams and cook them whole and stuff like that. Personally, and then there's some sort of gland up in here and here. I think on the front side it's also recommended taking out. But personally, I don't get into either one of those. I will come back down, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches from, well, maybe 4 or 5 inches from here where it's hanging. Come around here. That leaves enough meat that it keeps the hog hanging, and you don't have to worry about it. And then I come down the edge of the knuckle of the knee, and there's a white thing, just like the elbow on the front leg, there's a white thing on the knee. I come down in front of there. Come down around the bottom. You're going to have a bone that sticks out. You got to go around, and you come back to the spine right there. And so you come through here and you come around and down. And then on the front side, come around. Uh-oh, you're about to get wet. Hey, Price, will you cover the bed of my truck, and then I come in on the inside, right there by the leg. Right there by the hip, and I start working that whole ham off. Huh? Yeah, we're about to get up underneath that cover though. There's your ham deboned. And that's pretty much what I do, especially during these summer months when it's 80+ degrees outside, and I got a pile of them. I don't have to. I got a lot to go through in a short period of time. That's normally what I'll do. I'll debone the hams, get the shoulders, get the back straps. If she was a little bigger, I might try to get the ribs out of her, but there's not a whole lot of ribs. Now, I am giving up the inner loins, but I just feel like it's safer that way. But that's what I do. I hope it helps you. It's not the only way to do it. Everyone's kind of got their own way, but that's how I do it, and how it stays fairly simple and easy for me. You know, I don't have a bunch of limbs and stuff hanging everywhere. Everything's together. So when I go dispose of it, it's all together. It's not a bunch of miscellaneous parts. And on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you, and hope y'all have a great day. Take it easy.